You'll get dropped like hand-me-downs. Nobody got better bars than Songer. 2 years' time, man's in town. Man's pulling up in a break all that from Hardy. Can't outlaw. Man get bumped, no white on khaki. Got no floor. Cool man Hardy, white strong. Cool man Charlie is SONGE to the R. To the best known nigga bring heat to the bar. And I don't sleep in the yard. Always rolling to some bitches.
Love when it's dishing out birds. Slums got grabbed in a car with a spin. EDS got to do 2/3. Love don't live in the streets no more. They ain't no love. Three of my bros in a fucking slumber. Rest out the ones up above.
Talking that murder but never seen it, even did it, kid. And I ain't gon' lie, it's only a look. Still trying to catch me a look. Hey, Glock 30, big pills to Chris Vector, this bitch a 4-5. Drop, you know we gon' slide. My section, my hood, fuck your block, bitch, coming to my side. We the ones shooting shit, making packs, go ask how need that. Hey, and that's just the time I'm on. If I see a monkey, I'ma leave him naked, I'm gon' do him dead wrong. Tryna catch little stretch and put him in a cast, like where his head's on. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I'm full of luck, tryna leave a nigga head gone. Hey, Lofo, please stop the beat. Let me tell them how to hop out on feet. Just park the car, drop that mask down, get up close.
I don't know if you can see me too well, but they're all leaving, so I'm just going to get some clips of them leaving and whatnot. There's a couple cars coming in as well, but just a lot more leaving than coming in, so I'm just going to get some clips of them leaving, hopefully. Some get a bit rowdy. No, you're good. Just sitting on the outside. gets rowdy, fingers crossed. I think most people are leaving now, which is good, so I'm gonna get a lot of content of cars coming out and whatnot. Yeah, here we go. Maybe, hopefully. I know how well you can hear me, but that's a wrap. Home time now. It's like fucking... It's so empty now. So it was a good meet actually. Just... Fuck. That was a good fucking meet, bro. And some good quality cars. German. Like... Even the Lambo coming out was wild. And just, you know, a lot of HSVs. Japs and... Yeah. A lot of... It was a good fuck, I'm so tired. It was a good variety of cars, not just like straight Japanese and real rice cars. Like, good to see German cars coming, but yeah, that's a wrap on that. But anyway, peace. I'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe for more content. Fuck, I'm so hungry. It's not even funny. Such a sick spot as well, which is good. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.